Good morning, family. It is so nice to see you today. The weather is a little bit overcast and like the thinnest rain I've ever seen. It's just misting down and like getting everything a little bit wet. You can see my hair is like extra poofy today. It's so interesting. When I woke up this morning, I don't know if you can hear in my voice, I'm a little congested. When I woke up this morning, I was worried. And I didn't really feel that well. Like I had a headache. I couldn't breathe out of this nostril. I was just, you know, just a little bit off. And not by much, not by too much, but I just didn't feel my best, which is fine. Like that's normal to wake up that way sometimes. But I know that the morning is the best time to get your momentum rolling it in the direction that you want it to go. So I just stayed calm. I was like, you know what? This is fine. Like, just go do your morning routine, make your coffee, come out on the porch, listen to 2 Abraham Hicks, because one was only 6 minutes. I was like, that's not enough. I need more Abraham. So I listened to 2 podcasts, and then I got still, which is like a 10-minute meditation, and then I just stayed there for a little bit longer. And then I did a little bit of journaling, read the daily reflection, and I'm not gonna lie, like halfway through getting still, I started to be able to breathe out of this nostril. Before that, when I was listening to Abraham Hicks, my headache started to clear. I don't know if you can see, but I'm feeling good. I am the deliberate creator of my reality. I don't fully understand it, but I'm learning quickly and easily. It matters how I feel. It matters the state of my thoughts, of the vibration that I'm resonating at. All of this stuff matters. It matters that I pray. To me, it matters. It helps me feel better. It matters that I give my life and my will over to God. Because He knows so much better than I do. I just can't express strongly enough how meaningful my morning routine is to me. This was something that I heard from Abraham Hicks before. I didn't make this up. Plugging into Source, meditating, is really important, obviously. And they were saying, they're like, if you plug into Source, it's like plugging in your vacuum. And then when you vacuum your house, you're cleaning your house. But if you don't take the time to check in, it's like you're vacuuming your whole house without plugging in the vacuum. I don't have time to plug in the vacuum. Well, that might be one of the most important parts. It got me. It's like, I've lived my life, most of my life, vacuuming my whole house, doing an extra good job, like making sure to get all the corners, going over some places twice, but like never plugging in the vacuum, never making any progress. And now it seems like progress comes so easily. It flows to me with so little effort. Like, I just love being in the receiving mode of God, of Source. I just love it. I just love my life. Yeah. I just love my life so much. I feel bad when other people don't enjoy their life, because I know what it's like to suffer. I know what it feels like to not want to keep going in this life. I can't imagine anything worse than that feeling. That's why I'm so passionate about learning how to teach. And that's why I'm so passionate about sharing my energy and my love and being an example of a vibration that feels really comfortable to be at. Oh, here are the Baytown boys coming through. And so I've dedicated my whole life to learning how to teach, being an example. That's why I'm so passionate about happy healing. This is my life's purpose, to create a sanctuary for people to come and be, to come and learn, to come and feel a part of something bigger than themselves, a community that supports each other. I'm clearing away the fear that I'm not able to do that. I'm clearing that away because I know that it's not me who's doing it. It's Source. And Source is just using me as a tool. And it feels really good. So, I'm going to tell you my biggest dream. I want to be with a partner who is vibrating at my same frequency, who wants to support and help me in my mission of happy healing. And I can support and love him in his mission and his dreams, and our dreams can become the same thing. and we can raise a family together. Okay. They're gonna mow my yard and it's gonna get loud, so I'm gonna let you go, but I love you, and maybe write down your dreams. Tag out.